Jesse, let us begin with binary search trees.
Sure, Harry.
What is a binary search tree?
A binary search tree (BST) is a data structure that maintains sorted order in its nodes. Each node has at most two children, where the left child's value is less than the parent's and the right child's is greater.
Key concepts here are binary search tree, data structures, emphasize the properties that define a BST. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing BST with a regular binary tree. What are the main advantages of using a binary search tree?
The main advantages of a BST include efficient search, insertion, and deletion operations, which can be performed in OLOG on time in a balanced tree. They also maintain a sorted order, which is useful for range queries.
Key concepts here are efficiency, search operations. Discuss trade-offs such as the impact of imbalances. Common mistakes candidates make here are not mentioning balancing in BSTS. What are the disadvantages of a binary search tree?
Some disadvantages of a BST include the potential for imbalance, which can degrade performance to own in the worst case. Also, complex operations like balancing and deletion can complicate implementation.
Key concepts here are disadvantages, implementation complexity, highlight balancing techniques as solution. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking specific cases of inefficiency. How do you implement insertion in a binary search tree?
To insert a value in a BST, traverse from the root while comparing the value to be inserted with the current node. If it's smaller, move left. If larger, move right. When you find a null position, place the new value there.
Key concepts here are insertion, traversal, explain the recursive approach as well. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to handle duplicates. What is a balanced binary search tree?
A balanced binary search tree is one where the height of the left and right subtrees of any node differ by at most 1. This ensures that the operations remain efficient, typically OLOG and time complexity.
Key concepts here are balanced trees, efficiency, mention common types like AVL or red-black trees. Common mistakes candidates make here are not explaining balancing criteria. Implement a function to insert a value into a binary search tree.
To insert a value, I will define a helper recursive function. I'll check if the input value is less than the current node and proceed left, otherwise I go right. If I find an empty spot, I'll place the new value there.
Key concepts here are insertion, recursion, highlight how this maintains the BST properties. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to return the new subtree. Write a function to search for a value in a binary search tree.
To search for a value, I'll traverse the tree starting from the root. If the current node's value matches the target, I return true. If the target is less, I move left. If more, I go right. If I reach a null node, I return false.
Key concepts here are search, traversal, explain both iterative and recursive approaches. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring the null case, not returning false correctly. Create a function to delete a node in a binary search tree.
To delete a node, I first locate it. If it has no children, I can remove it directly. If it has one child, I replace it with that child. If it has two children, I find its in order predecessor, replace it, and delete the predecessor.
Key concepts here are deletion, node management. Discuss the different scenarios based on node children. Common mistakes candidates make here are not handling all node cases properly. Implement an in-order traversal of a binary search tree.
For in-order traversal, I will use recursion. I will first traverse the left subtree, visit the current node, and then traverse the right subtree, collecting the values in a list.
Key concepts here are traversal, recursion. Explain the difference between in-order, pre-order, and post-order. Common mistakes candidates make here are not returning the collected values. Write a function to find the height of a binary search tree.
To find the height, I will recursively check the height of the left and right subtrees, taking the maximum of the two and adding 1 for the root.
Key concepts here are tree height, recursion. Discuss how height impacts the efficiency of BST operations. Common mistakes candidates make here are incorrectly calculating height in 0 nodes. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more advanced programming interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.